Welcome to another theory video. This is on Csec IT, so I hope you learned something in the process. Let's go.
In the recent past, they introduced something called cloud storage. What is cloud storage? Well, you usually store something online and it's stored in the cloud. What basically cloud is, it's a server that somebody else has in the world and you pay them for access to it. So think of a cloud as like you don't have enough space in your house for books, so you go and pay somebody to store your books for you, and every time you want a book, they deliver it to you. That is not a library. In a library, you don't own the books. But let's say you own the books, and every time you wanted to get a book, somebody delivered it, right? You would be using that person as a cloud. So you take your stuff from your computer, put it in the cloud. Whenever you want it back, you just download it. So the concept of cloud storage is that companies, they create a location that has a very large server, right? These large servers, remember in the last video, I said they were called mainframes. Right, these servers, they're very fast and have a fast internet connection. So you pay the company, sometimes it's free. Well, they'll give you like, a small amount of storage for free just to rope you in. And then after a while, well, you're going to want to pay. iCloud, cough, cough. And then they give you access to it anytime once you have an internet connection. The problem is that you must be connected to the internet, because in order to connect to the cloud, you have to be able to, connect to the cloud. So iCloud is one, Dropbox is one, OneDrive is one, Google Drive, and there are many others, many others. You may use so many different ones, but they all work. So, cloud storage versus local storage. Local storage means it's stored on your actual device. And cloud is someone else's device. Someone else's. That's a lot of writing. Right, someone else's device. So, aka Dropbox or Google Drive. So the capacity on the cloud could be extremely high, but you pay monthly or yearly. Local could be extremely high also, but you have to pay upfront for the hardware, meaning you have to buy hard drives. The cost of cloud storage is paid for monthly or yearly. Local, you pay for it upfront. Accessibility is only where there's an internet connection. On local, it's only the computer that it's stored on, which is kind of lame, but I mean, at least you know it's there. So you need an internet connection to get stuff. Security of cloud, you need a username and a password, so therefore it could be hacked. You need a username and a password for a computer, but the person needs physical access to the computer, so you're kind of a little better off there. With security, right, the provider makes sure that it's encrypted. If it's local, you have to make sure that you encrypt it for yourself, and if you know how to encrypt data on your own, well.
Thanks for watching the theory video. If you learned something, give it a like, give it a share, subscribe, do whatever you have to do. And if you want practical applications of the things, feel free to check out any of my classes. You can find them on my website at makeITsimpleTT.com. I have classes for all different subjects, from Csec IT, Cape Computer Science, and many different tutorial videos that you could find on this channel. So thank you very much, and look out for the next video that is here or here, because I have all the theory videos for all the subjects.